Welcome to Outdoors with the Common Man. Let's go have some fun.
Easy.
See, I have my Savage 6.5 Creedmoor. What's going on, YouTube? Coyote here, Outdoors with the Common Man. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your normal everyday plastic coffee can into a scratch resistant anchor for your boat. First, you're going to need coffee can, big tall plastic guy, eye bolt, nice long eye bolt. Then you're going to need two things. I found some metal dowels that I had laying around, little axles or something, so that you can take your eye hook and set it in between them, so that when you go to set it in your coffee can, it holds above it, so you can tie your rope through it for your anchor. You're also going to need concrete. I went to the local construction store, the one with a big L on it, and got a bag of 60-pound bag of concrete for, well, about $5. It's about all you're going to need. Bag concrete, some water, the eye loop, eye bolt, whatever you want to call it. A couple of things to hold the eye bolt up. And then your coffee can and a spare bucket to mix your concrete up in. So without no further ado, we'll get to the task of mixing concrete, pouring it in the coffee can, setting the eye hook where I want it, and then it's just letting it dry. See you in a minute. That should be enough concrete mix. So, add in your water, mix it up. Add in water, mix it up. You can always add more water. Can't take it out. As you can see, all mixed up. Now all I'm going to do is pour it in there and then do like I said. Okay guys, if you want to keep your bucket, just make sure to wash it out after you get done. It should be all good to keep it. So that's washed out basically. I just got to dump it, be all good. So now we're going to take this eye bolt right here, take the nut off the end of it. You don't even need it, but it came with it on it, so I'm just going to leave it. Take your eye bolt. Well, I wanted it this way, so the tape I got there will help keep the eye from slipping through. Put your bolt back on, or your nut back on, just for shits and giggles of it. Drop it down in. Get it about where you want the center of it to be. and let it dry. It'll probably take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for this to dry in about 60 to 70 degree weather, but right now in northern New York, it's around 90 degrees right now, and it's 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. All right, guys, well, it's been a day and a half, and the anchor is all good, tied up to my rope, ready for the water tomorrow. So that's the homemade anchor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe bell, leave us a comment, and enjoy the music. Once again, Outdoors with the Common Man, real videos for real people.